wanna see
the secrets you've been keeping. Life cuts deep. Let me help pick up the pieces. You're not alone, I'm by your side. Don't you know I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire. No matter what, I'll make it right. Don't you know I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire. I'm not an angel, I'm not a saint. I've been a close book full of mistakes. But when you're broken, when you're in pain, I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire. I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire. You know I don't pretend to be a savior, but let me in. Yeah, I promise nobody can break us. I'm not alone, I'm by your side. Don't you know I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire. No matter what, I'll make it right. Don't you know I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire. I'm not an angel, I'm not a saint. I've been a closed book full of mistakes. But when you're broken, when you're in pain, I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire. I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire with you. You're not alone, I'm by your side. Don't you know I walk through fire with you. I walk through fire. I'm not an angel, I'm not a saint. I've been a closed book full of mistakes. But when you're broken, when you're in pain,
Feel secure. Good job. You are the Forged in Fire champion. Congratulations.
I walk through fire.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
I used that $10,000 from the first season to teach blacksmithing in the Philippines. Teaching somebody how to make a knife can save their lives and their families' lives and potentially their community.
I want to do everything by hand, and I want to show people how I make my blades. You build a relationship with that blade and you give it life. You give it soul.